boys and girls. So today we're going to do number corner and we're going to take a look at some of the patterns that are going on. So before I flip the number cards over for Saturday and Sunday and Monday, because today is Monday, September 14th, before I do that, I want to take a look at our pattern. So let's review our pattern. So we have loops, table, picture, array. Loops, table, picture, array. Loops, table, picture. What should Saturday be? You should be thinking, array, Miss Johanna. Let's see if we're right. And are we right? It's an array. So let's take a look at our array. Our array is 3 by 4. So we have 4 groups of 3. See, 4 groups of 3. Or we have 3 groups of 4. So if we were to count all of the squares inside of here, if we were to add 3 4 times, so 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, we would get 12. Or if we were to add 4 plus 4 plus 4, we would get 12. That's also the same as the multiplication sentence 3 times 4. If that feels fuzzy, that's okay. We will be investigating this together. Okay? Now let's review our pattern again. Loops, table, picture, array, loops, table, picture, array, loops, table, picture, array. You should be thinking, Miss Johanna, that's a loop, and are we correct? It is a loop. I wonder how many stars are inside of our loop. Well, let's see. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It matches our calendar card. There are 13 stars inside this loop. Let's put it back. Drum roll. Let's review our pattern. Loops, table, picture, array. Loops, table, picture, array. Array. Loops, table, picture, array. Loops. This should be a table. Let's take a look at our table today. Today is, and I'll pull that back first. Let's practice saying the date. Today is September 14th, 2020. It is Monday, and we have a table. So this side represents weeks, this side it represents days. For every 1 week, there are 7 days. 2 weeks, there are, well, let's add 7 and 7, 14. 3 weeks, there are 21 days. Do you notice what this is skip counting by? 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. We are skip counting by 7s. Okay? So let's take a look. We need to, now it's been a couple days, we need to update, I'm sorry, I gotta slide you over. We need to update our calendar grid observations. You guys haven't really updated them at all. I've been putting them in there, but we need to review them and review what goes on there. So we need to write the date, the model of our card, and then the description. So for instance, let's look at September 1st. That was our very first day of school. So we had a loop with 1 star in it. So we wrote the date, 9/1/20. The model was it was a loop. We have 1 loop with 1 star. That's the description. We wrote that down. Let's look at September 2nd. September 2nd, 9/2/20. We had our ratio table. Okay? We got bikes and wheels. For 1 bike, there are 2 wheels. 1 bike, 2 wheels. Okay? Solid. We got to see if there's a pattern going on here, right? We kind of figured out the pattern with these. We got to see if there's a pattern here. That's what we're trying to investigate. And then Thursday, September 3rd, we had a picture. This is a picture. And our picture represented 1 snowman for 3 spears. Okay? Do you notice anything going on here? 1, 1, 1. We got 1, 2, 3. Let's see. And I wrote that wrong. This should be. Okay, let's take a look at this one. This day we have an array. We have 1 row with 4 squares. What do you notice? 1 row with 4 squares. 1 loop, 1 bike, 1 snowman, 1 row, 1 star, 2 wheels, 3 spheres, 4 squares. I wonder what's going on. I want to ask next time we're together what you notice. Okay. Now, I'm going to skip Saturday and Sunday, but I want to look at Saturday before I skip it. We're going to write it on here because it's important that we're looking at the pattern, and if we don't write Saturday and Sunday, we won't. So Saturday was 9/5/20. We have loops again. Okay, let's take a look. How many loops do we have? How many loops do we have? We don't no longer have 1 loop, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops with 1 in each, right? That kind of messed up the pattern, I thought. How many of you are kind of thinking that? Are you thinking like, Miss Johanna, that pattern got messed up? Let's look at, almost knocked you down. Whoa. Let's look at Sunday. Let's look at Sunday. We have a ratio table. Okay, so we need to jot that down. We have a ratio table. So for 9-6-20, we have a table. And our table is 1 person for 2 eyes. 1 person, 2 eyes. Man, that follows that original pattern up here. I'm not sure what's going on. Let's look at Monday. Monday the 7th. We had a picture. We had 1 week, 7 days. Let's add that on there. We had 1 book. Oh, I should say 1 week. Whoops. 1 week, 7 days. And I will keep adding to this. For right now, I won't have to make you sit here and wait for me as I write all the dates that we missed. But I will update the calendar grid observation chart. So for next time, we can take a look and notice the pattern. But I do want you to pay special attention here. Loop, table, picture, array, loop, table, picture, array. We got that pattern down. But I want you to take a special noticing on the description. 1 loop, 1 star, 1 bike, 2 wheels, 1 snowman, 3 spheres, 1 row, 4 squares, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. But then something happened here. And then we're back to 1, 1, 2, 7. I don't know. We'll just have to wait and discover it together. So I hope you enjoy this. There's a video that follows. We're going to play a fun game called Loops and Groups. And it's kind of introducing this idea of multiplication. So watch the next video and play this interactive game. And I hope to see you soon.